till 2 a.m. I was in office. Because the last minute a product has to be launched, product communication goes today morning. So I have to write it first in internal stakeholders. We have CEOs, we have CFOs, all of the employees first like to know what's the product is going to get launched tomorrow. The clear-cut communication, what it is going to do the market, how we are going to get the profit out of it, or how this is going to be marketized in the future, or how the social media is going to handle. Everything have to keep it ready within 2.5 hours yesterday night. So within the group internally we do that. So whatever happens in the company, for example, the company got people laid off. Okay, that also need to communicate internally. That's we call this HR communications. And go deeper later, okay? So that is the internal communication. The second thing is, have anybody read the news today? Newspaper? Anybody? Very MBA guys. Business Standard, Hindu Business Line, Economic Times, Bloomberg. Nobody. The book won't teach you everything. I'm telling you, the book won't teach you. Let me ask you, who is the father of marketing? Who considers to be the father of marketing?
Philip Kotler.
They have been sued across everywhere. India, UK, US. So it's a way that the story is bad. How they are going to save the brand reputation. By denying all allegations. Then it is suicidal. See this as suicidal.
Not to maintain it, they have to deny.
That's a suicidal. It's a valid proof. They have a document. We have a document in the hand. How you can't deny it? That's exactly my last slide will tell you what not to do. Nobody has any fair idea? Let's go on. So we create three tags. One is a green, second is an orange, the third is red. The green, what happens here? Now by use and trouble. Should Vedanta worry about it? You know Vedanta, freelance, great learning, all education